Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. In this video, we will understand what Docker is using a simple, intuitive story. Think of Docker like a shipping container. All containers are the same size, so they fit on any ship, truck, or train. Docker does the same for software. The classic problem is, it works on my machine. Your code works for you, but not for your friend because of different versions, missing files, or different operating systems. Docker solves this by packaging your code and everything it needs into one container. The code and the dependencies travel together. When you use Docker, you create an image, which is like a recipe. When you run the image, you get a container, which is the cooked meal. Here is the math logic. Imagine a function f of x needs a special variable y equals 5. If your friend does not have y equals 5, the math fails. Docker packages f of x and y equals 5 together. So it always works. People love Docker for 3 reasons: consistency, speed, and isolation. It runs the same on one computer or 1,000 computers. Containers start fast, and if one crashes, others keep running. That is the poor idea of Docker, a standardized container that carries everything your program needs, so it works anywhere, every time.